Alright, this problem is asking us to figure out how fast the ball is going when, or the object, when it hits the ground. So we need to list all the things that we know. So we have already calculated v initial in the x direction, which is 5.33 meters per second. Sorry, that looks so bad. Alright, we also know that the object was in the air for a total time of 0.469 seconds. So then the question wants us to figure out how fast we hit the ground. Okay, so according to what we know about projectiles, we know that the initial in the x direction is the same as the final. So we have one component, which is 5.33 meters per second. And that is going to be the part that is this way. So that's Vx. And then we need to figure out what Vy is. So Vy, give me over here. And in order to get that, we need to figure out how fast it's moving at the end. So to calculate V final y, we want to pick an equation. And the easiest one is going to be V final y equals V initial y plus gravity times time. So for our purposes, V initial in the y direction is 0. Gravity is -10. And time is 0.469. So when you multiply that together, you get -4.69 meters per second as the final velocity in the y direction. So now we know this part of the triangle and this part of the triangle. So the question wants us to figure out the total, which is going to be this diagonal over here. If I could draw a straight line, that's what it would look like. Okay, so to find the diagonal, we have to use the Pythagorean theorem because we've created a right triangle with the x and y component. So Pythagorean theorem says that the total hypotenuse squared is equal to each side squared added together. So then to get v final by itself, you take the square root of vx squared plus vy squared. So that's 5.33 squared plus 4.69 squared. And then 4.69 is negative. So that's going to be the square root of 5.33 squared plus 4.69 squared. Calculator issues. Sorry, guys. Square root of 50.405, which when you take the square root of that, you are going to get 7.0996 meters per second, which makes sense. So the object is going to have to go faster because not only is it moving forward, but it's now moving down. So the downward component has to contribute to a speed. So that's how we get 7.0996.